Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I have brought another interesting session on conversion of voice to text. Yesterday I have uploaded a video which shows how can we convert from text to speech. So today is just a vice versa of it, and here is my speech which says, just listen to it. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. So I'm gonna convert the same to text. So how are we doing it? So for that you need to install a module called SpeechRecognition. So go to command prompt, pip3 install speech recognition. Okay, in my case it will show requirement is already satisfied, but it is going to install for you if it is not installed already. So it shows installed. Now let me go to the installation directory. So Python lib site packages. So here if you see I have this speech recognition folder. In this I will go to this main. Okay, so here it is already written here. So I will be just taking this import speech recognition is SR. So this is how I'm going to write my script, and then the file name where it is saved. So in my file name is like speech_1.wav. So this supports only the wave format. So whenever you're recording any voice or saving any recorded voice, always make sure you record in a wave format, and then R equal to SR recognition. I'm just using the same what they have used here. So today's video I will be showing you how to convert a recorded speech, how to convert an already recorded speech to text. So in my upcoming video I will be showing you how can you convert a live audio speech to text. So if you are looking for that, please do subscribe my channel and stay tuned with me. And once I'm done with this, then let me go with the next, like with sr.audio file name as a source, r.adjust for ambient noise source. So I have just taken it from the main file, and then like audio is equal to record, r.record source, then value is equal to r.recognize underscore Google audio. So this is using the Google speech recognition. So here you can see, so recognize the speech using Google speech recognition. This is the methodology it is going to use, and then print value. So let us run the script. So if you see that is the same thing. Welcome to my channel Python Educare. So this is very simple. Hope you have got this. So if you have liked this video, please place like button, and for more videos please do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.